So this is the Graco R129. So great little seat, really happy with it. It took me 15 minutes to set up. Hardest part for me was just getting an ISOFIX, which is the car's issue, not the seat. Let me show you how easy it is to build and get it set up.
So it literally just comes in 3 parts, so it's very easy to set up actually, and they all just slide in together, and you've got this little bag which has got your instructions and the bits for the ISO. So here's the instructions. As I say, very simple, and all you need to do is slot them all together like that and jobs are good, and you don't have to have any screws, it all just clips together very easily. Just to show you a couple of things just round the side, that was the cup holder which I'll come back to, and the ISOFIX at the back. It just shows you the guide on the height, and the green parts you see here are the bit for the seat belts, and the clip there is the height for the kid in terms of as they grow you can put it up even higher. So it's very, very simple, and the good thing is it's less than 5 kilos, so it's very light to move about, but it feels secure and good quality material within it as well. It's got these little cute armchair things as well. It feels comfortable enough as well. Post review, my son's been sitting on it, he's very comfortable, and the bottom's very easy as well. This is the bit here you pull to bring out the ISOFIX, which I'll show you in a second, and here's the little cup holders, and they're on both sides, so you can use both or just use one depending on what side of the car you want to do. So to actually get the ISOFIX out, you just push up the grey button and then they slide out, and then you just slide them out like this. So ideally you do it in the car, but I was just trying to show you on in the house here. Next thing you need to do is you put in the seatbelt once you've got the ISOFIX set, but it's very simple. Let me show you how in 2 seconds.
So just to give you an idea how it should look, is you put it in the plastic bit underneath, and there is one on both sides of the seat. You then put it underneath the arm part here, along here, and then plug in, so it should look something like that.